Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Zoom and signing in so you can host or join meetings. Open the app and pick Sign In. Use email, Google, or SSO to authenticate. Once signed in, grant camera and microphone permissions. This is required for audio and video. If you prefer not to sign in, tap Join and enter a meeting ID. Make sure notifications are allowed so meeting invites arrive. These steps get you from 0 to ready in under a minute, preparing you for joining a live call. Once you join, enter the meeting ID or tap a link and set your display name so others recognize you. You'll see quick controls. Toggle video to appear on camera, tap mute to manage audio, and switch between front and rear cameras. If your connection is weak, move to Wi-Fi or enable low data mode under settings. This reduces bandwidth. Use the More menu to access chat, participants, reactions, and screen share. These tools let you participate effectively and control what you share with. If you're hosting, tap New Meeting or Schedule to set time and options like waiting room and passcode for security. During the call, use participants to mute others or promote co-hosts, and tap Record to save locally or to the cloud if your account permits. When finished, choose End Meeting for all or leave meeting. If audio or video fail, restart the app, confirm permissions in device settings, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. These quick fixes resolve most mobile issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.